What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Like I said in every video, it will be in the link in the description below as a link. So all you gotta do is click it. I got Snapchat there, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's all there. I haven't really been active on it. I can't even front. But like I said, I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff. So like I said, I'm only focusing on what's bringing me the money right now. So that's what I'm into right now. I'm not into the social media. Even though social media is helping me in a way, I'm on it, but I'm not just posting. That's what I meant to say. I'm on it, but I'm not posting. I'm talking direct through like inboxes, and I got a lot of people that's hitting me up. So if I don't get to you right away, it's not that I'm not trying to get to you. It just I got a lot of people ahead of you, and sometimes take a lot of my time. Sometimes it's like their work ethic is more than others, and they invested into something that I'm dealing with, so I gotta really put my time into that person, and it takes a lot of time, you know what I mean? But anyways, let's get into this video. This video is about an app called I haven't posted this app in a minute, being that the fact they changed a lot of the rules, called Split right here. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't, but let's get into it. Like I said, I made a lot of money with this app, over $1,000, probably more. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? I don't know exactly. I just know it's in 1,000. You know what I mean? At least 1,000. I don't post every time I make money on this app because, like I said, I don't want to be repetitive. I do that with a lot of my apps. Sometimes I cash out. I don't even post. I just cash out and go use the money for whatever I got to use it, whether it's a bill, traveling, or whatever it is. Like I said, I done bought with this app, checkpoints, future point. I done bought like plane tickets with a bunch of apps. You know what I mean? I paid for my vacation. But like I said, let's get right into it. As you can see, for the people that know about this app, or if you don't, this app changed tremendously. Now you gotta get like showcases. You know what I mean? You gotta get showcases now. You know what I'm saying? Let me go right back into this right here. See, inbox, edit, you know what I'm saying, settings, or you even can log out. Now, it wasn't like that before. As you can see right there, right? I got the 1 star. You got to get like the 5 stars, right? You got to build your trophies up. Before, all you did was split and send out your referral link, you know, to earn. Like I said, let me show you an example. This is my trophy case, right? This is level 2. I fulfilled level 1, as you can see. All the oranges are done, the green, whatever. So now I'm on level 2, right? So now I got 1 more to go on level 2. I got to earn the commission and stuff. Even though I earned the commission plenty of times, excuse that horn. Like I said, I do live in New York City. But anyways, even though, like I said, I earned plenty of commission, so I don't even know why it's not when I press it and I do whatever it's asking me, why it's not, you know what I'm saying, turning orange. But like I said, I made over $1,000 with this app, so, which is weird to me. So it's the 3rd level. I moved on because it was getting on my nerves. I fulfilled 3. I got 3 more to go right here. A 4th level, I did 2 because sometimes some was getting annoying, so I come back to it and do all the easy ones. And then on the 5th level, I did 1. So I still got a few to go. But like I said, once you fulfill all the trophy cases, this is how it is now. Once you fulfill all the trophy cases, when you get the bigger prizes, like I said, I'm eventually get back to all that. But like I said, before, all you were doing was splitting, which is, I'm gonna show you what that is. Splitting and sharing your referral link. You know what I mean? Let me go move on to the other stuff. Let me show you my balance, right? Like I said, right now, you know what I'm saying? Right now, available, I have 92.k points, if you want to call it that, and a balance of $37 and a penny. And this is other stuff that's pending right here, which is basically nothing. Like I said, you could donate to charity. You could get gift cards. Let me give you an example. You got Amazon, the Nike store, Gap. They got a whole bunch of stuff, you know what I mean? They got Foot Locker, Sears, JCPenney's, Best Buy. Whatever it is that you're into, they probably have it. You know what I'm saying? More than likely. They even got Home Depot, eBay. They got a bunch of stuff you get on here. And of course, PayPal, the one, you know what I'm saying, that I get all the time. You know what I mean? They got what? $10, $30, $10, 20, 30, 50, 75, and 100. I'm pretty sure if y'all been following me for a while, y'all seen me get the 100 multiple times, not just one time in that video and that was it. I done got it 2, 3, 4 times in one video, back to back to back. You know what I mean? Because you can't cash out for $200, $300, $400, so I have to do it over and over and over to eventually cash out the whole thing. Like I said, you could go back on some of my videos and you'll probably eventually find a lot of my cash outs with this app or whatever. But like I said, this app changed a lot. But let me go on to the next one. Let me see, there's some things on here. Like I said, I really didn't go through all this, but there's something on here where you can split right from here that I'm looking for. They changed it so much. Oh, here we go right here, as a matter of fact. Let me just, what's this, something from the eye doctor or some eyeglasses stuff. So like I said, I'm gonna give you an example right from here. But if you have an iOS or an iPod or iPad, you can do the same thing, like I said, but you got to do it on Safari. But if you're not doing it from the app, you're doing it from Safari. I'm gonna give you an example from that also. Like I said, you split right here, just press split, a link is copied. I'm assuming, like I said from before, the text will come up and then you put the person's name that you want to send it to, but it said link copy. Like I said, I've never seen that before, being the fact I haven't used the app in so long, because I've been trying to do the trophy cases, because now it's different and it gets on my nerves. I'll go to another app, do whatever I'm doing there, and then come back to it. But see, it said linked, it said link copy. Before it would just pop up the text, and all you gotta do is put the person's name. So let me put somebody's name over here real quick. All right, so I'm gonna press it here to see if it pasted it. See the link pasted up here instead of down there. Let me see the glasses. I'm gonna erase it. I'm gonna send it to a random person. All right, let me paste it down here. All right, paste. So you see the link is there. I don't like it like that, because before, all you have to do is press split. It'll open up the text message, and all you have to do is go to the top right here and put the person's name. You know what I mean? So let me just put anybody's name up here. I'm gonna put the number out. And like I said, this is how you split it. Like that's it. Split. You know what I mean? Being at the fact this the person has an Android, you're not gonna be able to see exactly how it looks or whatnot. But like I said, you get the point. You know what I mean? Let me try to find somebody with an Android on here. I'm gonna do it again. Give you a better, see if I give you a better example. You know what I mean? Let me give you a better example on that. Let me see. Let me get somebody else's name. All right. Now see, this person has an Android. Split. Right here. It's probably gonna open up right there. See, now the glasses show, because the person has an iOS device. It's different with the other one. But let me go to Safari real quick. Let me go to Safari. Like I said, you can split right from the app or Safari. Like I said, the app ain't gonna have everything you're looking for. So you go to Safari, and let me go to Best Buy. The same example I used, Best Buy. Like I said, go here to bestbuy.com. Load up. I'm gonna click anything just to give, like I said, to give y'all a prime example. All right, this iPad or tablet. Click this. As you see, the tablet's there. You see this, you scroll down, you see how it disappears, but when you scroll down, this appears. See that little square? Hold on, somebody's calling me. Forward that, call them back. Like I said, you see that square right there with the arrow right there? You have to press that, right? You see the split app, you press the split, and that's how you split it. But in order for you to get it right there, like I said, for the people that's new, that don't know about this app, you have to scroll all the way over here, press these 3 dots right here, right? You see that the split app is all the way at the top and it's turned on with the green, right? Let me give you an example. See your Pinterest right here? You have to slide it all the way up. Let's make believe this is a split, right? Hold on, I'm gonna put it all the way to the top. See, it's all the way at the top. Now you have to turn it on, right? You press done. I said we're making believe it's split. Look where it's at. Pinterest is right in front of the split app, but we're making believe this is split because I already have it up here. So since I don't want it up there because I already got the split, I got split in front because that's the app I use every time I send people stuff so I can gain more points. So go right here, slide it back all the way to the bottom where it was, right there, and turn it off because that's not where I wanted it at. So like I said, let's go back to the original. See, it's gone. So press this. I'm splitting that Android tablet or iPad, whatever it is. Then the text is going to open up. Well, it said link copied again. Like I said, this thing switched up. It wasn't like that before. It said link switched up again. So I'm guessing now I'm gonna have to send it through the text. I don't really like that. You know what I'm saying? Before it'll open up right here. Once you press, you want to send it, it'll open up right here. And all you have to do is put the person's name and press send. So now it copies the link. So now you got to go to the text and paste it, as you can see right there. So it should be the iPad or the Android. I didn't even look at it what it was. So it should open up right there. See Best Buy. I don't know why the whole thing didn't open up, but so, you know, like the glasses did. But I'm gonna click it and look where it's gonna take me at. So when a person opens it, you see right there, when a person opens it, you should get some points over it, and it takes you to the site. So everything you do, let's say you're showing your friends something, your parents, it don't matter who you sending it. You know what? You split it instead of, you know what I'm saying, just sending it regular, so you can gain points. So you can get points towards the gift cards and through PayPal Cash. Like I said, you go back to my videos, I done got hundreds, even over 1,000. Like I said, with this app. Like I said, even though it changed a little bit, I'm gonna do all of the whole trophy case and see if it's worth it. I'm gonna be the guinea pig for y'all. I'm gonna do the whole trophy case, even though if some of y'all don't want to do it. That's why I say with a lot of y'all, like I said, y'all gotta be relentless. I know it gets hard at some time, but you can't quit. Trust me, I've been there before. The joint gets annoying, surveys with everything. A lot of this stuff get annoying at times, but once you break through, now you know how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has their formula, how they do it. I could tell you how to do it, but you gotta keep going. If you ain't gonna apply what I tell you to it, there's no point in me, you know what I'm saying, telling you. That's why I make the videos, to give all this free information for y'all and put it on this free platform so y'all could just, you know, so y'all could do it. I already know how to do all this, you know what I'm saying? That's why I put it up here. I don't have to do any videos. I don't have to do nothing because I already know what I'm doing. And I've been doing marketing, period, for 5 years, so I already know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? That's why I put it out there. But everybody has a different drive, different ambition. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing exactly what I'm telling y'all to do. What I'm telling y'all to do, I'm putting it on the video, but people got different drives. I'm relentless. I don't quit. Look, I got look at it right there. I got 25 points right there, as you can see right there, just for clicking it open. You know what I mean? For the person I sent it to, clicked it open just now. But like I said, man, I'm relentless with it. Like I said, even though I'll take a break, I'll come right back to it. And that's the difference between me and a lot of people that's watching. You gotta go for it, go for it, go for it. If you stop, you're never gonna know if you're gonna make it. That comes with a lot of stuff. Like I said, I done told y'all stories where, for people that said, like, been following me for a while. I remember when YouTube paid me 5 cents for me posting a video, and I thought that shit was cool. Excuse my language. I thought it was cool because, guess what? They paying me for something I'm recording as we speak on my phone. I'm recording this right now on an iPhone 6, even though I got a billion phones, like about 20 phones. I just grab a phone and I just start recording. So I found that cool. To date, they pay me, you know what I'm saying? They been paying me $2,000 to $3,000 every month. You know what I'm saying? Just because, and that's just one of my 7, 8 incomes. You know what I'm saying? I don't work. I could travel. I could go buy something. I got a $2,000 computer right here. I got a $600 camera right here. Another one right here. Excuse the mess. You know, I bought those in the same week for $1,200. I got a nice car sitting outside. You know what I'm saying? I get anything I want because I'm making it easier for myself. But it took the grind. It took the grind, man. Y'all don't understand. It took the grind. They're not making nothing for a long time. They're finally making $5 and they keep going and going. Like I just told you just now. I wish I had the screenshot, but I lost that phone, the S7, on the pool in Miami, and it got wet and it stopped working. Like I said, I'm not trying to ramble, but I'm just giving y'all the facts. Like I said, I had the screenshot when YouTube paid me 5 cents. And if I go back on the video a month or 2 months ago, guess what? You'll see when YouTube paid me $2 grand and some change in 1 month. Because I didn't stop. If I would have stopped, I would have never knew I would have got that $2 grand and some change. Now I'm getting that and more, and it's growing. Like I said, that's one of my 7 or 8 incomes, and I'm adding more because my merch is coming back out. I had merch out for a while, but it's coming right back out. I'm starting making more money with that and with other things that I'm doing. So like I said, I didn't mean to ramble off and go off topic, but I just wanted to give y'all a little bit more motivation. Certain things you can't quit. Like I said, if you got to make a YouTube channel, promote more on social media, go out there and do it offline. Whatever you got to do, do it. Don't worry about nobody. If the people around you not pushing you and they being negative, you'll cut them off. Those are the people you don't need around you. Period. Trust me, I cut off everybody. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody's family, and not all blood is family. Neither. You'd be surprised. Like I said, if your family don't support you, like I said, those are the people you need around you, and your friends will support you. The same thing. Keep doing your own thing, and that's it. Because they're going to come back when you popping. Remember I said that. But anyways, the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM family.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. grab an umbrella, I make it right. I'm in this bitch.